Covering Wisconsin weather for 20 years, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today was our third straight day with below normal high temperatures, but it is going to warm up a little bit tomorrow, and then it's going to turn sharply colder again. For Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, highs will only be in the 30s, maybe some 20s on Friday. That's it. But as we move into next week, another significant warm up. Temperatures getting back up into the 40s and 50s. Right now, we are looking at 30s and lower 40s across the area. The coolest readings are near Lake Michigan. It's only 33 degrees in Kewaunee and Manitowoc. The warmest spots are west of the Fox Valley, including a reading of 42 degrees in Shawano. Right now in Green Bay with increasing high clouds, the temperature is 37. We're also looking at partly sunny conditions in Appleton, 37 degrees with east to southeast winds at around 10 to 20 miles per hour. We have two systems headed our way over the next 36 to 48 hours. This one is going to be the main system, however. It is now making its way through northern Missouri. Just south of that area of low pressure, the first severe weather mini outbreak of the year across Missouri. We've got numerous severe thunderstorm warnings. On the northern side of it, where it's colder, we're looking at that winter weather advisory from northern Iowa up into northeast Wisconsin. NBC 26 precision radar shows dry weather across most of the state right now. But as we zoom down towards Iowa, you can see this large area of rain breaking out. It is mixing with a little bit of snow, sleet, and freezing rain at times. And if you look closely here, within the area of rain, you can see some pockets of heavier rain or showers or maybe even a couple of thunderstorms. And that could impact our totals as we head throughout the night into tomorrow morning. So here's Precision Cast showing that wintry mix overspreading the area later on tonight. By midnight, look for a mixture of snow, freezing rain, sleet, and rain across the viewing area. It looks like the dividing line between all snow and that wintry mix is going to be right across the Fox Valley. As colder air wraps in behind the system during the early morning hours, it looks like everything will then transition over to just plain old snow, and then it'll quickly come to an end by 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning with a mixture of sun and clouds as we head into the afternoon. This is a tricky forecast because we're looking at that mixture of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain. Temperatures as the precipitation moves through will be mainly in the lower to mid 30s, and a 1 to 2 degree difference will have a huge impact on how much snow you wake up with tomorrow morning. More mixing obviously equals less snow. Now, as far as the total precipitation is concerned, it looks like there's going to be a quarter to a half an inch across the area, and most of this is going to fall as rain across eastern Fond du Lac County into Sheboygan County. But we're also going to be looking at the threat of some sleet and freezing rain, so some minor icing is possible, especially south and east of the Fox Valley. Here's a look what the computer models are showing for snow. It looks like most areas will end up with about 2 to 4 inches, but some locally higher amounts are possible if we do get some of that convective precipitation moving in later on tonight into tomorrow morning, like I just showed you on the radar in Iowa. So my forecast right now is calling for a general 2 to 4 inches across most of the area, but don't be surprised if you do wake up with maybe 5 inches of snow, possibly even a little bit heavier, especially north of Green Bay. The lightest amounts, 1 to 2 inches, can be expected across parts of Fond du Lac and Sheboygan counties. If you don't want to shovel tomorrow morning, you don't have to, because it looks like temperatures will zip up into the 40s, close to 50 degrees as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So at least all the snow on the roads and sidewalks will melt as we move into the afternoon. But maybe you just want to shovel or snow blow, and you can do that if you like. All right, your forecast for tonight does call for thickening clouds. That wintry mix will develop. Most of it goes over to snow as we head towards daybreak. Overnight lows will be near 30. Tomorrow, a morning mixture, and that is early. We'll see sun and clouds developing as we move into the afternoon. It's going to be windy. Temperatures will be getting up into the 40s, so that snow will be melting. On Thursday, clouds mixing with some sunshine, maybe a snow shower or a flurry with gusty winds, colder air coming in on Friday. Saturday, mostly sunny skies, upper 30s, a chance for a rain or a snow shower on Sunday as some warmer weather starts to push back in. Mid-40s on Monday, 50s return on Tuesday, 50s and perhaps some 60s on Wednesday ahead of our next big weather maker that arrives for the second half of next week.
All right, thanks a lot, Cameron. Okay. We'll be right back.
NBC 26 Weather is sponsored by